Hey everybody, this is Sue Craig, your Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the United States, and I'm here to show you today how to make a wish list on the Stampin' Up! Website and then share it with others. The first thing you want to do is to go to the Stampin' Up! Main page, stampinup.com, and you're going to want to log in. I'm already logged in right here. And the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on the heart button. This brings up where you have lists available. You come down here and you're going to click New List. And right here you're going to type in the name of the new list. And let's say this is going to be Sue's Christmas List. Okay, click on Create New List. And here it is, right here, Sue's Christmas List. Okay, now we're going to start browsing and look to see what they have available. We can come over here, Shop Products. All right, and let's say we want to take a look at some bundles. We want to see Stampin' Die bundles. Okay. You're going to scroll down and look at the different bundles that are here. When you find something that you like this Sweetest Time bundle, we're going to click on the heart. And then it says select a list. I want to put this into Sue's Christmas List. So I click on that. And you'll see one item was added to Sue's Christmas List here. Okay. You can see that that's colored in now as the heart. That means it has been chosen and put in your Christmas list. All right, let's keep going. And let's see, how about these little hippos? Right here, Hippo Happiness. I'm going to click on the heart. I want to put it in my Christmas list. And you can see once again an item has been added to Sue's Christmas list. Okay, now you can continue to look this way, or you can go up to the magnifying glass and click on it, and now you have a search bar so you can search for different things. Let's say that I want to search for the new Stampin' Cut embossing machine. All right, I put the first two words in and then it came up. So I'm going to click Stampin' Emboss, and I thought, well, Christmas time would be a nice gift. All right, here it is. And by the way, the little one is available for purchase for you January 5th. So I want to add this to my list. Sue's Christmas List. And it has said it's been added to my list. Now, if I want to see my list, I'm going to click on that heart again at the top. And now my lists have come up. I want to see what's in this list right here. So I'm going to click on Sue's Christmas. And now this brings me to this screen right here. What I can do right now is add everything to a shopping cart if I want to purchase it. Or if someone else wants to purchase things for you, they can add whatever they want to put into the cart for you. Now, if you want to share this list with family, friends, what you can do is click Share List. This will copy a link, all right? You can also share it by email, Facebook, or Twitter. So I want to copy the link, all right? And then what I would do is bring up my email software and open an email and click and paste. If I enter, okay, now that has the list And I can send it to someone. Since this is not a real list, I'm going to type in my name and Christmas list. Okay, and then I would send it. The person that gets it will open it, and now they have the link to my Christmas list. So they're going to click on it, and it will take them to the Stampin' Up! Website to your wish list. It says Sue's Christmas list, and all the things that we put in there are in that list right now. So that's how you can share your wish list. You can also make a wish list of things that you want and keep it on here in case you want to keep track of all the things that you've wanted, and then you can add them to the cart when you want to.